Hi guys, welcome back with another video. In the previous video we discussed how to sort data row wise, and today in this video we'll be discussing how to sort data column wise. So this is our usual inventory sheet, and last time we sorted the data according to our supplier location, etc. So this was sorting by the row, and this time we will sort it by the columns. So to sort the data by column, so we'll add one row on top of our heading, and then we'll give the sequence of the sorting. So for example, I want to have my first top column on the very left as location, supplier, and then I want my product ID, product description, and then I want my quantity, and then I want my cost per unit and inventory value. So this is how I want to sort. So basically I want my leftmost column to be location, and then supplier, and so on. So to sort data by column, what I will do, I'll select my data, I'll go to data tab, and I will sort, and you see this option button. So I'll go to options, and instead of top to bottom, which is sorting by row, we'll change to sort left to right, and then it's asking for which is my criteria for the sorting. So that's the reason I added this top row. So I'll select row number 1 and smallest to largest, and I'll click OK. So you can see my columns are sorted according to the criteria I gave in row number 1. So this is how you can sort out the data. Now if I do a Control Z and undo it, and I'm back to my previous position. Now how you can use Excel function to achieve same thing. So to use the function for this, I've added a new sheet, and I'll go here and type sort, and then my array is this data, and then sorting index is 1, which is my first row, sort order is ascending, and then it's asking me whether I want to sort it by column or by row. If I type true, it will be by column. If I type false, it will be by row. So if I type true, press enter, so you can see exactly same thing you can achieve with the function instead of using this option. So but the only limitation with the function is you need to have an extra sheet or somewhere you can type it where you don't have data. Otherwise, if you try to do exactly same thing here, if I type same formula here, sort, and my range is A1, A2, G, then I want to index, my index is 1, my sort order is 1, and if I do it by column, if I type true and press enter, and you will see this is giving me an error that there is a circular reference first of all, and secondly because it cannot replace the values on itself. So that's the problem. So that's the reason I have added an additional sheet. But it's better to use this option, but in some cases you need to have a function instead of using this option, especially when you are recording macro or doing the VB coding. So in that case, sometimes function is of help. So that's it. That's how you can sort the data by column. If you have any question, feel free to leave on the comments and I'll get back to you. Please do like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll get back to you with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.